everybody, it's Amber and I'm back with a video to share a Dollar Tree haul. I found so many treasures. Like I went the other day and they had so many new items out. So first I want to show you this beautiful gift wrap that I got. And if you follow me on Instagram, you already saw a picture of this, but I was just blown away at this gorgeous gift wrap. So I just thought this was so pretty. All the colors, and I think this one right here is my favorite. But I just couldn't believe that this gorgeous gift wrap was at Dollar Tree. And I just think that sharing samples with your friends is a good idea, or just, you know, if you do a lot of gift wrapping, have it on hand. And this butterfly one is so springy and cute. I love it. So this is kind of the info here. You get, it's like has grid lines on the back. You get 17.5 square feet and it's 30 by 84 inches. So a nice size gift wrap. So these are all the designs I got. So this video is going to be a little bit long because I got so many amazing items. So I hope you have your tea or your coffee and that you can just sit back, relax, and enjoy. The next thing I want to show you are these amazing gift bags. I've seen a few people haul these and I was so glad that my Dollar Tree had them. They're these gorgeous gift bags and they come two to a pack. They're so pretty, look. So they have like the watermelon on this one, and then the other one is a plaid that like totally coordinates. I think it's so pretty. And I got two of each one. So this one I already used the one that came with it, but here's what it looks like. You get the lemons with the polka dots. I love this one so much. And then the plaid. So I already used the plaid one off of the set for my mother-in-law for a gift for her. And then here is the cherry one. I think this is so retro and just so cute. So you get the cherries on this side and then the gingham on the other side. I think it's so pretty. So there's the little gift wrap stuff. And I do have some more, so when I come across it in the bag, I will definitely show it to you. So then I got a couple of Mother's Day cards, one for my sister and one for my mom. And these are in like the handmade card section and they are so pretty. Just check out this card. I mean, the glare is kind of bad, but look at how pretty. It's got like these jewels on it and then like a 3D little piece here, and it's got the gold foiling. I just thought this was so gorgeous. And it has the pretty color envelope. So that one is so gorgeous. And then here's one for my sister. And I thought this was super pretty as well. It's got glitter and some pink foiling, and it's got ribbon. Just for a single $1. I can't believe this. And then there's the inside, and it comes with a cute pink envelope. So I thought those were really, really pretty and worth the $1. I've never seen these before at the Dollar Tree. Look what I found. I found some really cute photo albums at the Dollar Tree. I got two of the feather one because it's my favorite. So what I'll probably do is fill these with like pictures and gift them to people, but I'll keep a feather one for myself because I think it's so cute. Look at how pretty that print is. So that's what it looks like. So I got those two, and then I got 3 more different patterns. These 3 here, and I just think they're so gorgeous. Like, these look very nice quality for the Dollar Tree. I can't believe that they have these. So I really, really love them. So I got those. Pick up some stickers because my Dollar Tree is so slow on getting the new stickers in, but they did get a few and I was really excited. So I got some planner stickers, or you can use them for cards or whatever, but I went ahead and picked up this set, and it's got those on the back. It's got a lot in there, so it's totally worth $1. And then I was so excited that they had these planner ones. These are like functional stickers for your planner. So, and by the way, excuse my voice. It's very scratchy because for some reason the allergies are so bad right now. I just think the stars and the moons and like the little galaxy stickers are so pretty. And then they have like Cute sayings, magical, good vibes, dream big. I think these are so adorable. And then here's the other side. I think they're really, really cute. So you get all those stickers, and they have another one here, and this one's more like pastel colors with the emojis. So cute. And look at the back, look at the pineapple and the watermelon. Oh my goodness, so cute. And I got another one of the big ones. So these, you could make cards with these, like if you wanted to. And then I also picked up this, and these are kind of not really my style, but I just got them for the little Chuck Taylor shoes right here. I think they're so cute. And I do like the cupcake, and the little dog is cute as well. So I picked that pack up because that was new to my Dollar Tree. I have never seen this one. And then I got 2 packages of the Enamel Dots from Dollar Tree. So there's the stickers. It's always fun to go down the sticker aisle at Dollar Tree for sure. So let me show you some of the stationery items I got. So stationery items, you know, are my absolute favorite things to get at Dollar Tree. And I did see some new stuff. So I got some new Post-it notes, and these are so cute. They have, for one thing, look how chunky they are. And they have a little sketch on the corner of each one. So a heart, a pencil, and a little light bulb. And again, look how chunky. So you know me and Dollar Tree sticky notes, I like to make little holders for them. So I'll probably try to design one that'll fit these. I think they're super cute. I kind of want to go back and get like one more of each so I can hand them out as gifts and things like that. But I like the colors as well. So there's those. And also more stationery is the cutest little binders ever. And I got one of each color. So they have these mini binders, and these are like the little tiny, oh, that's upside down. These are like the little mini size. So they had this aqua, they had yellow, and pink, and orange. So I already have a project in mind for these, and actually I had it in mind before I even saw these at Dollar Tree. I have those, I have the similar ones that they sell at the Target Dollar Spot for $3, and they're a little bit nicer quality, but I went ahead and picked these up. I mean, these aren't bad at all. They're a little bit cheap, I guess you can call them, but hey, they are $1, but they do have, you know, the rings, and they work perfectly fine. They have little pockets, and I like the colors. So I'm going to include these in the project that I'm going to be doing, and I'll definitely share that with you guys. So I got these 4 colors. Keeping with the stationery, I found the cutest stickies. Never stop looking up. Follow your heart, it knows the way. And create your own sunshine. Aren't these cute? You guys, get to your Dollar Tree and find these. I'm going to use these at work, of course, because I use stickies all the time at work. But I thought that those were so, so, so cute. So those, I'm going to give you a little close-up of each one. That one. This one's probably my favorite. And that one. So, and there's, again, a lot in there. They're really chunky, see? I love stationery. Oh, and then I saw this at Dollar Tree. If you guys watched my craft fair series last year, I used this tape a lot, but I bought it from like Michael's. They now have it at Dollar Tree, the Red Line sticky tape. So this is super strong adhesive. I will test this out, but it looks pretty much the same as the kind you buy in the craft store. So I'm really excited about that. I did pick these up. I'm not really into like the unicorn craze, but I thought these were super pretty. They're 3D kind of bubble stickers, and they have glitter in them. So I hope the glare isn't too bad. I'll give you a little close up. There was only the 1 pack. I love the star one the most. There's only the 1 pack at my Dollar Tree, but otherwise I would have gotten more. Oh, and I forgot to show you this one. Here's one more sticky note. This one says be positive. So are you guys finding these at your Dollar Tree? I really hope you are, because mine went fast. I went back the next day, well, 2 days later, and these were nowhere to be found. So I really hope they stock them again, because I should have stocked up on them. Okay, so next I want to show you these. I got these cute little like coupon savers, but they're these expandable file folders, and so I got this design and this design, and I got 2 of each that I can share with a pen pal. But what they are these cute little expandable files that you can keep your coupons in. But I like using these for my Project Life cards and my little stickers. So you can use these for anything with your crafts. There's that one with the cute lavender and lilac. And then these beautiful ones. Look at those flowers. I like this one the most, I think. So there's this one. It comes with a little expandable little sections. So I got those. Those were new as well. I haven't seen those prints at my Dollar Tree until I went that day. So I want to show you these cute, this is also with the gift wrap stuff. So I don't know if the true color is going to show up here on camera, but aren't these gorgeous? I love having bows and like little gift wrap things on hand because I have a big family and we have a birthday like at least once a month. And so look at the colors. Aren't these so gorgeous? And they go perfectly with some of the gift wrap that I got. I mean, check it out. Wouldn't they go so pretty with these gift wraps? So I got a bunch of those, and I just need to go to like Walmart or something and get some gift boxes. So I'll have those on hand so I can wrap gifts with my new wrapping paper and this. Like I said, lots of birthdays in my family coming up, so this was totally worth it to me. Oh, you know what? I left one out, but I used one of them. I got the hot pink as well, but I already used one for my mother-in-law's present. Okay, and then also, let me move these out of the way. This tissue that I found. It's rose gold. And I know you only get like 3 and 3, so you only get 3 sheets of it, but I thought it was so worth it because look at the color. It's the rose, beautiful rose gold. So I'm definitely going to be saving this for something really special, like maybe my sister's birthday gift. She loves rose gold, but look how pretty. Yeah, I bought 3 of them. I should have gotten more, but I didn't want to go too crazy. But now I'm kind of regretting it because that's like dream right there. And okay, so the next thing I want to show you is also stationery, of course. But you guys know how I make the holders for those long lined sticky notes? Well, I found a lot of colors in this style. And I think I want to try to create a holder for this style of sticky note because look at all the beautiful colors. I don't know why I didn't do this before because they've always had these at Dollar Tree. They just have gotten more colors lately. So I got the orange, blue, yellow, coral, like kind of, yeah, coral color, peachish, green, and then hot pink. So I'm going to definitely be designing a cover for this size. So if you have a Dollar Tree near you, go ahead and get some of these because that tutorial will be coming up soon. So I just think these are so cute. I'm obsessed with stationery, and this is great potential for a craft fair idea. Okay, so next is kind of boring, but I wanted to show you anyway. These are some of the things that I get a lot at Dollar Tree. So I always get the Brillo little reusable wipes, and then I also get the handy Clorox wipes if they have them. And I just absolutely love getting those. And I love getting these. These are the Sure Fresh. They come in 5, and they're the jumbo size. And I get these for my scrapbook paper. So if I have like a bunch of just scraps of my 12 by 12, not scraps, but like random 12 by 12 paper that I need to put all in one place, this fits because it's 14 by 16. So be at the Dollar Tree. So if you find these, stock up because like I said, you can fit your 12 by 12 paper in there. And I got 2 of these. And my mother-in-law also bought me one. So I thought that was super sweet. And then look at these cute little picks. These are really cute, and you can use these for crafts. You can like glue them to your cards or whatever. I thought they were so cute. You get 100, and look at the colors. So those are cute. I've never seen those at Dollar Tree before. And then I wanted to show you these. They have these in different designs, but sorry if you guys hear that noise. My air keeps kicking on. I need to go set it to a better temperature. But anyways, these are the cute little cups, and right now they have the summer prints. And I get these all the time, and let me tell you what I use them for. I take one of these and a packet of oatmeal. So you can get the cups of already made oatmeal in the store that come in those cups with a lid, and then you just add your water and put it in the microwave. But that's like $2.99 each. Well, you can get a package of these. You get 8. And a package of your favorite oatmeal with like the packets. So I just take one of these and a packet of oatmeal to work every single day, and I make my oatmeal in this. And it's like the perfect little cute little cup, and I just throw it away when I'm done. So I love buying these for that. I already went through a package of the flower ones, and now I got these cute summery ones. But that's just a little tip I wanted to share that I do. And it saves so much money, because I used to buy those oatmeals, like I said, from Target and the grocery store, and they could run like $3 to $4 each. So this is a cute way to get to buy these cute cups and save some money. Oh, I did get some ribbon. They had some pretty like shimmery ribbon, like this gold and pink, and it doesn't have like glitter fallout or anything, but I thought that was super pretty. And it's nice and shimmery, and I use ribbon all the time, and I love the satin ribbon from Dollar Tree. So I got that. And the last thing I got were these little sets, these like little activity pads. Why am I getting little girls things? But I'll tell you why. I'm coming up with a project, and I'm not sure if I'm going to save it for a craft fair project or if I'm going to go ahead and just kind of do a tutorial early on my channel. But I have this idea, and I'm stocking up on stuff for it, and it's for kids, obviously. So I want to share that with you, and there's a couple other little items that I'm going to put in with that project. So just stay tuned for that, and remember that I hauled these from the Dollar Tree. They're little activity pads, and I tried to get like the classic ones. This is like the My Little Pony, and then of course Disney. So just stay tuned for that little tutorial. And I do want to show you the stuff in here because I absolutely fell in love. So I got some bath bombs. Oh my gosh, these smell amazing. So here they are. I thought I got 3, I did. Look at these Fizzing bath bombs. These are name brand. Okay, it tells me my battery is going dead, but I want to show you these. Oatmeal, milk, and honey, fresh cucumber and bamboo, and peppermint and sea salt. And these are the Bolero brand, and the Bolero is expensive in other stores. So if you see this, pick it up. And then I also got 2 more Bolero things, and that would be it. Okay, so these are definitely the last 2 items. I got the 2 soaps, and these smell so good. You can even just like set these in your bathroom, and you would be good to go because these smell so good. So this is coconut oil and sea salt. And then my favorite, honeysuckle and green tea. So these are so perfect for your bathroom, just to sit like on your counter and have your whole bathroom smell good. And of course, these bath bombs are so expensive other places, and I found them, yes, at the Dollar Tree. So you guys, thank you so much for watching. My battery's about to die. I'm gonna go charge it. And I just wanna thank you so much for watching this haul. I'll be back with another video. So I really hope that you enjoyed this haul, and I will see you in my next video. Bye everybody.